bros. I am super excited about this. I actually want to grab this other fidget to compare. I've been waiting for this. Oh. So, remember when I got that Lowrey prototype where they made the aluminum one and they sent me one with stronger magnets? They haven't made any more. This was it. I guess they maybe didn't like my review period thing, or people just like the weaker magnets. I don't know. But they were running the sale on blemished, I guess blemished sliders, where they have like a little mark and so it doesn't pass inspection. Look at Sheba. And so they were giving $20 off, and then on top of that they had a Christmas sale which was an extra 20% off. So this thing is normally like $180 and I got it for like $115. This is the titanium low profile Lowrey slider. So shall we? I'm so excited. I really wanted to try it, but dropping like $180 on a slider, it's like a lot of money. So let's see. Oh, okay, I got it. And I always kept this one because this one is the only thing, I think this is the only one that exists because it's the prototype. But I believe that this titanium one is a lot lower profile. I really wanted the blue one, but this is the gray tumbled. They didn't have the blue one in the discounted price. So thanks for your order. The factory seconds dark tie is a great choice. So that's what they called it, the factory seconds, because they had blemishes. So let's see. They also make tops. I'd like to try one of their tops. Sheba? Here it is. All right. Oh, it's sealed. It's got a little sticker on there. Fuck. Okay. All right. Okay, it comes with a thank you card with a little flyer as to the stuff that they have, and then they also give you a 15% off coupon. Just a little box. I think at this point Sheba is literally begging for food. All right, I'd love to see how this compares against the original Lowrey, but again, it's the prototype. Wow, it's really pretty. It looks a lot nicer than the photos give it credit for. Wow. It is lower profile. Hold on. Is it? No. No, it's the same. Shit. Folks, you don't want to drop aluminum because it'll dent. It's a soft metal. But this is titanium. So actually they're about this. This one's a little bit heavier. But you see this is a machine, no, it's not a machine. It's like a tumbled matte. This is like the machine finish. So the slide plates are special because you see when there's a insignia on one side and it's smooth on the other, the insignia side I think is supposed to make more noise than this side. So depending on which way you have up, it sounds different. So this is insignia side up. This is insignia side down. The feel of it is really nice. I was really hoping for it to have stronger magnets. What I like about this is that it's very quiet. I can definitely get away with playing with this shit in front of my wife. She is like insane when it comes to these fucking things. Still wish the magnet strength was a little bit stronger, but trying to see if it's as strong as the prototype they sent me. Shit. Let's see. The feel of this titanium one is definitely better. Like, and it looks sharp as hell. I think it's about the same. So I think this is the stronger magnets in this one. Now, initially I want to play with it like I play with a magnet. I just fucking go at it, man. I just like, just fucking ladder that bitch and just, oh. But don't think you can do that with this because I think it's more delicate. It's like refined. It's like a refined fidget. If you go at it, you're just gonna knock it off the freaking thing because the magnets are not that strong. And it's got the brass plates. A lot of people don't like brass plates because it makes your fingers gray, which it is making my fingers gray. But, I mean, whatever. Are you really that much of a baby? I don't like the fact that this thing constantly comes off track. All right, let me turn the camera around so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, so this is my regular aluminum one, and then, the prototype, and then this is the new one. So yeah, it's the same exact dimensions. Yep, and same exact inside too. You can see machine finish on one, insignia on the other, and it does scratch a little bit, but and this one's a little bit heavier than the aluminum. So, okay, let me show you. So I go to slide it. I just want to show you what I'm talking about here. So the question is it worth what the price is? $180 for this thing? I don't know. I mean, it feels nice. I'm gonna have to spend some time with it. I like that it's very quiet. It's very hard. Do you see what I'm talking? This is what I'm talking about. It comes off coarse a little bit. Oh, this must be, okay, so this is the sound part down. Okay, so now this is smooth part down. Sounds the same shit to me. Okay, aesthetically, it's really pretty. It looks way better than this one. The magnets are about the same strengths, which means that the regular aluminum one is much weaker because this is the prototype. It does feel really nice in your hand and it looks really good. And I like the fact that it's relatively quiet. I mean, you can play with this thing anywhere. I have to collect quiet fidgets because not everybody likes to listen to them. So I don't think I actually have, see, this is the only drawback. Sometimes it comes off coarse, but you just gotta be, I think, a little bit more gentle with it. I don't think it's worth $180, but I do think it's worth if you find it on a sale like I did. Now they said this is a blemish. What is the blemish?
Hush.
I don't know what the blemish would be. Here? I've also heard that once you break in the plates, it feels a little bit different. But am I happy to have it? Yeah, it looks pretty freaking sweet. I'm happy to have it at the price I got it at. If I paid full price, I would not be happy. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Okay, so I'm getting better at it. Just has such a different feel than all the other ones. And I guess it really depends on which side you hold down. All right, so I think I would probably pay maybe $150 for it then. It does look pretty sharp. Still 180 is quite a bit. All right, maybe 160. Yeah, the feel of it is so nice. And it's very quiet. Like, you can be doing this, nobody would ever know. So, I do like it, and I would recommend it. All right, maybe I'd pay like $170 for it. All right, $175. It's like a worry stone. It's so smooth. You can't even feel the plate sliding. Like, it's so smooth. How is that possible? All right. I would pay $180 for it, okay? I said it. All right, I might even go as high as $185. Look how pretty. Okay, you know what? I would pay $190. Look how beautiful and smooth it is. You know what? $195. I would do $195. $200, I'd do it.